Hey everyone, Chris here with your dental growth hack. Today we're going to talk about something that happens dozens of times a day in your practice, your patient's phone call, and specifically the first 40 seconds of that call. Research shows that callers decide within the first minute whether they're booking or moving on to the next one on the list on Google. So let's make sure your team is winning that first 47 seconds every single time. So let's go. First, let's talk about what's happening on the other end of that phone. The person's nervous. Maybe they haven't been to the dentist in years. Maybe they're in pain. Maybe they've had a bad experience somewhere else. They're not just shopping for a dentist. They're looking for a reason to trust you. And they're making that decision almost immediately. Here's what most front desk teams do wrong. The phone rings, they answer while they're in the middle of something else, and it sounds like this. Dr. Smith's office, can you hold? Click. That person's gone to the next person on the Google list. Or they answer with just the practice name and nothing else. Flat, rushed, very transactional. That sets the tone for the entire call. So here's what the first 47 seconds should look like instead. Step 1, the power answer. This is the first 5 seconds of the call. Thank you for calling ABC Dental. This is Chris. How can I make your day better? It changes the whole conversation. It immediately signals that this is a different kind of practice. It's warm, it's personal, and it's disarming. The caller exhales. They feel welcomed. Step 2, the empathy bridge. This is seconds 5 through 20. When they tell you why they're calling, let's say they have a toothache, don't immediately jump to the schedule. Say, oh, I'm sorry to hear that. That must be really uncomfortable. You've called the right place. We're going to take great care of you. 20 words. That's all it takes to make someone feel heard. Most practices skip this entirely and go straight into the logistics. Step 3, the control question. Seconds 20 to about 35. Before I find the perfect time for you, can I ask, have you been to the dentist recently or has it been a little while? This tells you so much. It tells you if they're a nervous patient, if they have insurance, if they need extra care, and it makes them feel like you're customizing their experience rather than just slotting them in. And step 4, this is the commitment close, seconds 35 through 47. Perfect. I've got 2 options available. Could be 3, whatever. Would day and time or day and time work better for you? Always give 2 options. Even ask open-ended, when are you free? Open-ended questions create friction. 2 options create decisions. This dramatically increases your booking rate. Now here's the implementation piece. Script this out word for word. Print it, laminate it at the front desk. Do a 5-minute role play with your team once a week. And if you can, record your incoming calls. Most phone systems now allow this. And do a monthly listen back to identify coaching opportunities. You see, your phone is your most powerful marketing tool, and most practices are leaving it on the table. The first 47 seconds either earns that patient or it loses them forever. Train your team on this script, practice it until it's natural, and watch your new patient conversion rate climb. That's your dental growth hack. Now go answer that phone.